Hello again, this is the commercial lawyer. This week we conducted a routine maintenance check on one of the properties that we manage. As you may know, we are property managers for a lot of properties here in Nigeria, and one of our responsibilities is to visit the properties that we are managing and conduct routine maintenance checks. Yes, we had to do a video, like you can see, of the property and send to the property owner so that she can see what her property looks like, because she's actually not in the country. Another responsibility of ours as property managers is to issue quick notices to tenants that we want to evict, like you can see in the video. So we had to issue and serve this quick notice to the tenant. This next slide shows you how we diligently ensure that we receive rents from tenants and do not fail to send them to the landlord or the landlady. As you can see in the video, this is a WhatsApp chat. You can see how we keep sending payments as at when we receive from the tenant, and how we keep updating the landlord about happenings in the property. If you can read through the slide, you would see how we update the landlord about happenings in the property. Yes, this is another receipt for rent received. You can see the amount and you can see the price. These are tenants who are looking to take the property. So yes, before you hire a property manager, you need to make sure that you can trust them with your money. You can trust them to not liase with the tenants, to rip you off your money, or even to keep your money from you when they have received it from the tenant. You also need to make sure that there are people who would be available to go and visit the property when the need arises. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.